Tired of static spreadsheets and craving interactive data visualizations? This video will show you how to connect your Excel sheet to Looker Studio in just a few simple steps. First, ensure your Excel file is stored in a location accessible to Looker Studio, like Google Drive or OneNote. This is crucial for the connection to work. Next, upload your Excel file to your Google Drive. You can do this by clicking on the New button, then File Upload, and selecting your Excel file from your computer. Now, head over to Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one. Then, click on Add Data. In the connector list, select Google Sheets. Don't worry, even though it says Sheets, this is how we connect to Excel files stored in Google Drive. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio's access to your Google account. After authorization, locate and select the Excel file you just uploaded. Choose the specific sheet within the Excel file that you want to use. Also, ensure the Use First Row as Headers option is checked if your Excel sheet has headers. Finally, click it in the bottom right corner. Looker Studio will now connect to your Excel data, and you'll be able to start building your dashboards and reports. And there you have it. You can now drag and drop fields, create charts, and explore your Excel data in a whole new, interactive way within Looker Studio.